guys, welcome back to my channel. I know I've been gone for a long time, but I took a much needed break, but I'm back and I'm better. So I'm gonna go ahead and be filming a video for you guys today using a brand new product that I just received, and I'm so excited to be working with this brand. I've heard nothing but great things about them, and I'm really happy I got my hands on these as well. So first product I was gifted is the Untied B leave-in conditioner, and I've also received the Curl Supreme 4-in-1 hydrating cream along with the Reflex Curl Styling Cream. I'm actually kind of torn in between which ones I'm going to use today, but today I'm definitely using the leave-in conditioner as a base, and then I think I'm gonna go in with the Curl Supreme 4-in-1 hydrating cream. I can't wait to try this one. At the moment, I'm gonna go ahead and just put this one to the side, and we're gonna save you for another day. So now let's get into Untie the Knot. So this is the Nourishing Leave-In Conditioner, and this is for wavy, curly, and coily hair. So it detangles, nourishes, and replenishes moisture for lively curls, which is always good. And on the back we have the key ingredients, which is coconut milk, slippery elm extract, and broccoli seed oil. Interesting. I know I love to eat broccoli, but I've never ever used a product with broccoli seed oil, so this should be interesting. Last but definitely not least, we have the Curl Supreme 4-in-1 hydrating cream. This is to hydrate, strengthen, protect, and style your hair. It creates lustrous, moisturized, and defined curls with a soft hold, which is something a lot of us curly girls really love. So the key ingredients in this one are apricot oil, coconut oil, and marshmallow root extract. So let's go ahead and give this one a smell. Oh, this smells so good. And I just realized that I didn't smell the leave-in conditioner, so I'm gonna give that one a whiff right now. And this one, oh, this smells like a candle. It smells so good. It's like not a super sweet smell, but it's not too strong. It's like the perfect combination. So just to give you guys a quick order of how I'm going to be using these products, I'm going to go in with the Untie the Knot first with the leave-in conditioner, and then I'm going to go in with the Curl Supreme hydrating cream as well. So let's get started. It is best to apply the product to soaking wet hair, so I'm going to go ahead and just touch up my hair again with the spray bottle to make sure that my hair is soaking wet before I start applying the product. I'm going to go ahead and start by applying the leave-in conditioner first, and I'm actually going to be doing a method that I've never done before, which is the shingling method. I don't know how well this is going to work on my hair, so make sure you guys keep your fingers crossed with me, and let's hope that it comes out perfect. And now we're gonna go ahead and start by adding in the Curl Supreme 4-in-1 cream. So how the shingling method works is you're going to go ahead and separate your hair into smaller sections. Once I do that, I'm going to be smoothing out each curl. So I'm going to start by separating my hair into the 4 sections. And usually some people, when they're doing the shingling method, they'll apply their product right before they start to shingle their curls. But I just went ahead and just applied the product first. That way it's all in there, and then I'm going to go ahead and just do a quick brush through of my hair. So with the shingling method, just take each curl, and I am basically going to be stretching it out, pulling it like this for each section. This is going to help me get super defined curls, which is exactly what I like. Once I'm done doing all the shingling of each curl, I'm going to go ahead and just scrunch my hair. I'm gonna move on to the other side. So I'm finally done with the shingling method, and here is how my hair has turned out. It's still wet, I haven't dried it yet, and these are what my curls look like. So my curls are really defined and they smell wonderful, and I'm really excited to see what my hair is going to look like. I'm going to go ahead and diffuse my hair really quickly so that you guys can see my final results. Okay guys, so I'm finally back after switching a camera and diffusing my hair for the past 40 minutes and my curls look so good, you guys, and they're so shiny. Like, I cannot get over this shingling method, how well it worked and how defined my curls are, and they have a little bit of fullness to them as well. My hair is also very soft and my curls look so good. I will definitely be doing the shingling method a lot more. It worked so good on my hair and I'm really glad I tried it out today. I definitely cannot wait to finally try the reflex. This is next on my list, trust me. But as far as the Curl Supreme 4-in-1 hydrating cream, it is not a heavy cream at all. It works really great on all hair types. My hair also feels very hydrated and moisturized because these products, you guys, are sent from heaven. God made these just for us, okay? They work so good, and I cannot stress this enough that if you have not tried TreLuxe, I definitely advise you to. So as I close out today's video, thank you guys so much for tuning in first and foremost, and also thank you guys for sticking with me through my break that I took. Thank you to those who were still subscribing to my channel during the break that I took, because I swear I thought I was gonna lose subscribers, or I definitely didn't think I was gonna gain any. But thank you guys so much for sticking around, and thank you guys so much for the new people who came around, and I hope you guys also get a chance to try out the TreLuxe products that I used in today's video as well. And thank you so much to TreLuxe for sending me these products, and I'm very happy with them, and I can't wait to see you guys all in the next video. Bye.